Today we're going to go over how to log on to Canvas, how to access assignments, and how to submit assignments. For students, the first thing you want to do is put in your username, which is your student ID, and your school password. Once you log on, click on Photography 1 or the class period that you attend. On the right-hand side of the assignment, you'll see a circle with a dash. On the left-hand side, you'll see the name of the assignment. If you see a circle with a dash, it means you're missing the assignment and need to turn it in. Within each assignment, you will see any handouts and videos that we covered in class. You can click on those handouts and do that at home, or in school you can go to the southwest corner of the room, find the class name, then go to the assignment name, and then grab that worksheet. The baskets are labeled on the outside and inside on the handout itself. Once you have the assignment that you're missing and you want to submit it on Canvas, you don't have to be at a computer. Instead, you could use your phone. Just log onto the internet, search Granite and Canvas, put in your username and password, go to the course, then go to your assignment that you need to submit. For example, you might finish your disclosure document at home, look over what the assignment details are, what you need to photograph to submit. Once you understand the details of the assignment, go towards the top of the page and click on Submit Assignment. Click Choose File, take photo or video, line up your photo so that it looks good. Once it's done, click Use Photo and submit the assignment at the bottom of the page. When you see Resubmit at the top of the page, that means you completed that assignment. Also, that circle with a dash in it will disappear. Hopefully from this tutorial you were able to learn how to log on to Canvas using a computer or a phone and how to access and submit assignments. Thanks for watching.